Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Let's head first of all to visualstudio.microsoft.com. Here you have different options. You can install Visual Studio Code, which is very lightweight but still powerful since you can install lots of extensions. Also, you can install Visual Studio for Mac. In our case, let's install Visual Studio for Windows. You have here the Community Edition, which is completely free and open source. If you are in a professional or enterprise setting, you also have the Professional and Enterprise, which are also paid versions of Visual Studio. Let's go to Community 2022. It's going to automatically start the download file. Let's install the installer. Here you have different options depending on which type of applications you're going to be building. In my case, I'm interested in mainly console applications, maybe some WPF. If I need some extensions, I can also come back to the installer and select the other options in the future. Let's start with .NET Desktop Development, install while downloading, and install. Visual Studio 2022 should launch immediately. You have the option to sign in to your Microsoft account. In the window right here, when you start Visual Studio, we have different options. The one that's gonna interest us for now, create a new project. Let's create a console app. My first example app. Let's select a different folder. I'm gonna select a safe folder here that's called My Example Projects. And click Next. You can choose .NET 6 or .NET 7, which is the newer version of .NET. For now, let's leave it at .NET 6. We have our Hello World app. Execute. And we have our application working right here. So we have installed Visual Studio and it is now working on our Windows computer. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.